right. Here we go, y'all. Let's see. I think I'm on the stream. All right. So I'm going to put this up here so that way that doesn't get in my way. All right. I'm live. What's going on, good people? Good people. Let's see if we can get anybody on the stream. Drop a chat. Let me know you with me. Wait a minute. I think I'm gonna end this stream real quick. Hold on. Let me do some edits real quick. Live chat. Let me do a thumbnail. I am YOLO. Where you at? YOLO live. Bear with me, anybody on this chat. I am definitely making some changes. YOLO AMC GME live stream. Let's YOLO AMC live stream updates. Let's talk about the squeeze. Okay. I think all this is being recorded, but I'm still gonna do this anyway. All right. There we go. All right. So I know I'm 2 minutes in, but I'm going to go ahead and keep going. So what's going on, people? Anybody that joined this stream, I just want to. I was going to record a video and then upload it, but I decided I'm just gonna do a live stream. So let's see if I can get anybody on. We can have a conversation, talk about some stocks, talk about going YOLO. Um, and if you get in here and you want to interact, hey, let me know what kind of stocks you want to look up. You want to look at your portfolio. Let's look at some entry points, some exit points. Let's have a community conversation. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about the potential of our squeeze potential with AMC and GME. I'm YOLO, so uh, I want to talk to other people that's YOLO. Anybody get on? Let me know. You YOLO too? I'm YOLO. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to make some money. You trying to make some money? Put some dollar signs in the chat. Hit the like button. Bring some other people to the party. All right. Grab you something to drink. Celebrate. Today's was a good day. Today was a good day. I don't know about y'all. I hope y'all in it. I'm YOLO. Today was a good day. I want to talk. So drop a chat. Let me know you here. Let me know what's going on. So the big thing I did want to share with people is that this what got me really excited about GME and AMC. I'm looking at this chart, and as you see, I've been doing a lot of dirty work, right? Just trying to see where this thing is going, trying to predict the future. But what really got me like really excited about like all of this coming together. I know other people doing streams, but what really got me excited about is this pattern development. I know we had this little debacle back here in January, but March is looking like a straight runway. Like I made this trend line. This trend line was I made this trend line Sunday. No, this is Friday. I made this trend line Friday to see if it respected. And so far since Friday, it has respected this trend line. I'm glad my chart keeps it. But the thing that got me most excited about GameStop and AMC is when you zoom out to a 6 month view. Let's take a look at that. That is, and actually, I'll do a year just so you can kind of see for real, for real. Like, that is one of the nastiest cup and handle patterns I ever seen develop. Like, this is a full, this is a full 3 month almost development of this cup, and all we need is that handle. And let me just show you. I know. Let's just Google cup and handle patterns. Let's see what comes up. So if you notice, now not all of them break upward, but most of them do. Let's look at this one. It's taking me down a rabbit hole. I don't want that. I just want to see. I just want to see the. I can't bring it up big enough for you guys. Can you see that one? Yeah. These So basically, it's a cup, and then a handle is that little pullback after that, and then usually it shoots upward. Now with in this scenario, it doesn't break upward, but most of them do. Most of them do. Dip, pull back, shoot up. Here we go. Dip, pull back, shoot up. Like a violent shoot up too. This is actually more indicative of what these cup and handles do. It's a a violent shoot up after this next pullback. That handle, yeah, it just is a straight bullish run. Same here. Dip, little pullback, violent run. So I'm doing all that because usually those patterns last over a couple of days, maybe a week or two at at most, right? This is a 3 month pattern. Like, this is the mother of all cup and handles. And what we're looking for it to do is just kind of pull back this way and then take off. Now, what got me even more excited, man, is this. If you go to GameStop, look familiar? Yeah. And then, GameStop is trading at, three, well, actually 10 times what AMC is trading at. So this high was $483, fell all the way down like $40, and it is ready to take off again. Now, they're similar, they're not the same. Let me go to the 6 month. They're similar, they're not the same. But look at that pullback. It's already been the pullback. I'm looking for GME to skyrocket like this week. Like based on these. Hey, if anybody in here, man, like, go ahead and drop it in. I know I'm just starting my channel, so I ain't expecting to have a bunch of people jump on my stream, but I'm gonna stay on here long enough to try to get some of you on here. So, and then we can have some fun. I want y'all to get to know me. I want to kind of get to know the people who looking for some technical analysis on their stocks. I'm just trying to do what I can to help spread, education for all our retail investors, especially for people who have a learning curve with it, because I had it. So I know how to try to relate that content. So that's the reason why I got into this. I ain't getting in this just to be a face on YouTube or anything like that. Like, I want to have fun with this. I want to engage other people who are trying to learn like me. I ain't no expert. I'm just talking about something I like. That's all I'm doing. It's not financial advice. But I'm YOLO. I'm YOLO in this. And I'm pretty doggone excited by what I'm seeing. I look like we already got the handle. Maybe just a little bit more of a pullback. I don't know. But I see a violent roar upward to $200. Oh man. Let's talk about my portfolio. I got a public portfolio, and I'm going to start doing other videos with kind of going over the portfolio and my stock picks. But I had a pretty good day. I released a video yesterday talking about three stocks that I was trying to get into, or find a sweet spot for people. So uh, all three of those stocks, 6% and above today. Pat myself on the back. Let's look at AMC right now. AMC at $9. AMC is going to be trading at least $10 tomorrow, if not better. AMC is going to be look. I'm thinking about YOLO and some call options. To be honest, it's a lot of. Let's look at the call options for a $9 call right now. A $9 in the money call. It's only 118. It's tempting to get a couple contracts of that. I would want to go for if you now the way to really force a squeeze is like more in the money calls. You do in the money calls like deep in the money calls. So something like this $7 strike, maybe the $8 strike. Actually, the $9 would be more deep in the call, deep in the money now too, because I don't. It's going to trade at $10 tomorrow. I can, I'm willing to, put something on that. Put like sriracha. I'm gonna put that on everything. It's gonna be trading at $10 tomorrow. So all of you bag holders who bought the first time, that when Robinhood shut it down, you got a chance to get your money back. You're gonna have a chance to get your money back. All right, let's look at the short volume. Let me see if Intel updated any of these numbers. And anybody, man, like, you know, you come across this video later because I'm pretty sure a lot of people ain't gonna join me now, but maybe we'll see. You come across this video later, you got to do your due diligence. Gotta go ahead and look for things yourself. What stands out to me, and I'm on short volume ratio for AMC. This number was down to like something lower. Like I thought it was 100,000 earlier, but who knows? You know, take it with a grain of salt with some of these. Some of these numbers. We saw some funny stuff back in February when they was late to release all of the info. So. But look at this short to borrow rate fee. That is what stands out to me. That 8.65%. It might not seem like a lot, but it is. It's huge. That's huge. When you talk about millions and millions of dollars, that is huge. And their clients ain't gonna want to be paying that just because you shorted the stock over, over shorted it. You overplayed your hand. Yo, I think we got some more people on. Hey, drop me a comment. Let me know you here. Hit hit the like subscribe button. Let me know you here. I'm YOLO. Want to talk about being YOLO? Let me know what you in for. How much y'all in for? What's a YOLO number to y'all? Matter of fact, like let me know like what do you think that your number might be? Or I wouldn't even say a number. Let me know your percentage. Like, if you in AMC, if you gain like, 3,000%, would you sell or would you hold? What's the moon for y'all? If you in on this play, you better think about what the moon is for you. You better think about what the moon is. Everybody talking about hold for the moon. That's all fine and dandy, but what is the moon? You better figure that out, because it ain't gonna be too long before we get there. That's just my belief, not financial advice. Just my belief. It ain't gonna be too long. It's gonna play out. It's not gonna be tomorrow. I ain't gonna say that. Might not even be this week. I'm gonna pull up this that I saw on Wall Street Bets. This is strictly talking about AMC. AMC short squeeze newcomers. You need to read this. So a lot of you may think that we're going to the moon this week. Love the optimism, but this isn't the right way to go about it. We have to keep our expectations as low as possible and be numb to the whole thing, numb to what the so-called professionals are telling us, numb to the dips. No, you buy more. Numb to the spikes, $15 to $30, and we just keep holding. We need to end the week over $10 to $15. As far as I'm concerned, that's all we really care about. They believe a short squeeze is coming within the next 2 to 3 weeks. That's what the research leads them to believe, and many others feel the same way. So if it happens this week, then great. But hold until, and I can't read all that because I can't put that on my channel, but you can read it for yourself. But hold it until they see the price go 15, 20, 30, big dips in between. So what they're essentially saying is prepare for a roller coaster. This ain't going to be no straight line. It's going to be a roller coaster, y'all. So you might get all your money back tomorrow. You going to sell? So got to think about that. What's your point? What are you going to sell? You've been. It's a lot of y'all that went YOLO the first time back in January, and been red ever since. Ever since, it's been a whole almost 2 months. You gonna sell as soon as you get green, or you gonna still hold for the moon? See, everybody's different. Everybody diamond hands. I will tell you this though. Here's one thing ain't nobody else gonna tell you, but this is the reason why. If anybody come across this video, I want you to trust the information that come out of here because I'm gonna keep it 100. And the 100 thing is this: if you ain't got nothing, if you ain't got nothing more than 2,500 shares or better, right? If you ain't holding 2,500 shares or better, whenever you decide to sell, it's not going to mean nothing in the grand scheme of things. Now, I will preface that by saying if a lot of y'all that has, 1,000 here, 1,000 there, start selling, then yeah, that can put a dent in it. But overall, we see the thing is we got these big dogs involved. Let me just so I know everybody's saying hold for the moon, and the only reason I'm gonna be honest, the only reason you're gonna hold is to be greedy. That's it. We only holding to be greedy. We trying to squeeze. We trying to milk this pig as long as we can, for as much as we can. That's the only reason we hold it. But you got to be realistic about what that is for you, because when people see the number, the magic number they got, they're not gonna hold. They're gonna take and run, right? So you got to know what that is for you too. And so by your own research, you should know exactly what that ballpark might be. I'm hearing the new thing is try to get AMC to 1,000. Look, I don't have no tattoos, okay? But if we get AMC to 1,000 and I'm able to cash in on that, I would get my first tattoo. It would be an AMC logo with the price tag $8.01. Okay, book it. It's on tape. You can roll the film after the fact. I want y'all to hold me to it. Anybody come across this video, I want y'all to hold me to it. If AMC moons and I'm able to cash in on $1,000 per share on the position I have, I will tattoo AMC logo on my arm, and I will put the price number $8.01 because we know that's significant for what happened on Friday. So book it. Hold me to it. If we reach 1,000, yes. Do I think we're gonna reach 1,000? I don't think so. And I'm not trying to be, pity party. I'm trying to be realistic. That's what I'm all about. Cause I ain't trying to send nobody y'all. I ain't on that at all. I ain't trying to send nobody y'all. AMC might get to 300. 5, maybe 5. What do y'all think is going? When you come across this video, drop it in the comments. What you think AMC gonna get to? AMC only trading. AMC hit a high of $25 prior to pandemic. All time, it's only hit a high of 33. 500, maybe. Appreciate the likes. Anybody else come across this video, go on, hit that like button. Come on, get me in the rotation. I'm a cool guy, y'all. I promise. I promise. I'm funny too. I'll tell a joke. Oh man, I'm begging people to come join me on this journey. Oh man, I'm feeling good because I'm YOLO. You know what I mean? It feels good when you made a decision that you can live with good, bad, or ugly. So hey, we ain't never gonna have a chance like this ever again because after this happens, they're gonna change the rules. Better bet your bottom dollar they're gonna change the rules on us. Can't have you little apes taking money from big old Melvin Capital. Can't do that. Nah. What are y'all doing? Let's see what's going on in the Wall Street bets. These memes be having me dying. Let me refresh. Let's see what we got. So somebody did buy a S ton of shares after the bell. When YOLO for real. That is that really a $12 million after hour sale? That is really cost them. They bought 105,000 shares at $120. That's $12 million. Somebody went YOLO. So hey, salute to whoever went YOLO after hours. That's an institution though. Come on, that's somebody with some long money. I'm telling you, this is not dead cat. This is not dead cat. Hey, so you know what? It actually gives me an opportunity. Anybody come across the stream later, you ain't in on GameStop. I think, but before I give you GameStop, I think AMC is actually the better play. Let me just say that. GameStop is the most risk reward play as far as like it can be extremely risky or it can be extremely rewarding. But I think AMC is the more safer bang for your buck play. And AMC can moon. AMC can actually moon. And I'm gonna give you the different scenarios of which one, is which. And you can make your own decision if you're not in or if you want to increase your position. So let me pull up GameStop. So let's do some technical analysis. I know we got these lines here already. We can't. With these type of stocks, the way they've been trading, honestly, we got to kind of throw all this crap out the window. Almost. I mean, still technical points of support and resistance that we need to respect. It's like we got this resistance level here at 130. Look at the 5-day. This trend line can go. I don't need you no more. We're not doing none of these anymore. So I can keep them for now. All right, so what I'm looking at is I'm gonna map out, and I hope this is clean enough. Well, you can see I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit, but I want to map out all of these levels so we know what we looking at come this week. So here we go. This is today. Here we go. This is today. So based on previous history, the first little initial run up from last week, if you're looking to get in this play, you gotta look how it kind of traded today. So we opened the market today at 102. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the wrong day. Okay. We opened the day at 104. And it's been price action up ever since. Um, so now it's looking like that. Let me make some price adjustments. It's looking like, man, after hours is ripping too. It's ripping, man. So it looked like it held support strongly um, after the bell at 115. I'm gonna look for that. I know we could take after hours with a grain of salt, but I'm gonna look for that to kind of serve as support going in tomorrow. Maybe even back down to the 109. That served as strong support here too, which was also previous resistance at another point. So depending on how much excitement in the pre-market happens and how far it gets pushed up prior to the opening bell, um, if you're looking to enter this trade, if you're not in GameStop, and if you're actually looking for a safe entry point to try to ride this, I would look somewhere as close to 109 as you can and try to enter the trade if you want to do that. Um, that's probably your safest bet. Support levels, strong support is at $100. But seeing that, we're trading at 120 now at close, I doubt if we're getting all the way back down there. So I will look to 109, as close to 109 as possible, to enter the trade if you're going long on it. And AMC, if you're not in on AMC, you can kind of get rid of this trend line. And let me know, are you in on these plays? Hit the like button. Let me know. Talk to me. Let's look up some things. Let's have some conversation. I'm YOLO. I'm excited. I want to talk to people who's excited too. I'm just somebody who's trying to talk to you about something I'm excited about. Want to get to know y'all. Want y'all to get to know me. Go ahead and smash that like. I appreciate it. Let me know in the chat. So AMC looks like, man, it's following my trend line. I made this trend line on Friday, and Friday it followed it. Today it followed it. I'm not gonna move it. I want to see tomorrow if it follows it. If it follows it tomorrow, then my prediction of trading over $12 by the end of the week will come true. I'm just follow the technicals, and yeah, I'm hey, I'm telling you, if we're trading over $10 come Thursday, we're gonna see some violent price action. We're gonna see some very violent price action because you best believe some of these these shorts are going to get they're going to get they're going to get scared. They're going to get out of their positions. They're going to close. And then if you look at fintel.io, let's look at AMC because I got these both up. Institutional ownership. And it ain't about us. Don't think that it's only us controlling this. No. As I told everybody, and the only way that this is ever gonna move, the way that we want it to move, is when the big dogs get involved. Okay, the people with the long money. Pause. When they get involved, yeah. Look at this. Somebody new just bought in today. 51,000 shares. 1 million shares. These hey, look at this. Today, 2 new people bought in 1,600,000 shares, 51,000 shares. Yeah. Look at this. This institutional ownership is crazy. All these people bought in February. One, two, three, four. No, it's 2019. Sorry. Okay, so one, two, three. So four big institutions took over at least 15% of the company. Okay, so look at this. People getting scared out of they put. So if it's red, this is basically institutional movement. So if people bought in, it shows their positions. If they're green, they bought in for the first time during this period. Um, if they're red, they left their position. So here is IMC Chicago LLC. They had a put. They had a put on AMC. They got out of it. They sold their put. They're getting out of it. This next put option is still there. So they still in it. They're still trying to. They're still trying to hold that put position. But look at all these. This company right here put a call in. Put a call in. Jumped in for the first time. Put a call in. Yeah. Call, put. It's, they're holding on to it, but I bet you're gonna get scared out of that put. Here's another put. It's a new put option right here that came in. They're gonna get scared out of it. Depends how long the puts are. I don't know how far they go, how far they out. They don't give us all that information, but when the big dogs get involved, we in for a treat. Let me go to institutional ownership here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, look at this. 226. They bought in the GameStop. 226. They bought in the GameStop. 226. New people getting on board. New people getting on board. Do you see anybody leaving? Only people leaving here. This IMC Chicago. They left the long position but put a put on there. I don't get it. I don't get their strategy, but we'll see. They had a long position, put a put. Unless they went long on a put. I don't know if that really is a thing. Maybe they put it for, a year or two out. Figure that after moons they can make money on it falling down, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. So anyway, who else is YOLO, man? Let me know y'all YOLO. I'm YOLO, man. I am bullish. I'm looking to buy dips. I got on my public portfolio. Let's come out of here. I'm in on AMC. I got 35 shares at $5.60. I got in this portfolio. I got another 300 shares in another portfolio, and then another, maybe 75 in another one. So I'm YOLO on AMC. I got 30 shares of GameStop at about 89 a pop. So, I'm deep in the money on that too. Like I need this thing to move. So I hope y'all in. All right, so yeah. So I want to tell y'all, like I said, this thing can drag out over a couple weeks. Don't think it's gonna happen this week. I don't know if y'all seen the due diligence, but I did post a video where I read the due diligence from Hayes Pixel from beginning to end, pretty much. It's a very long video. It's 46 minutes, but I want to make sure that anything I put out on this channel is information that you can take and digest. I'm not trying to do any clickbaits. I want to build a community where we talk things and I share information and talk about things I'm excited about and things that you're excited about, right? So, yeah. So I'm not trying to cherry pick what information I give you. If I give you a play, I'm not only gonna give you the play, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of the due diligence behind it as well, and an entry point. That's the theme I'm developing for this channel. It's called the sweet spot. Gotta find that stock in the sweet spot and ride that roller coaster up. So yeah. So what to expect for AMC tomorrow? Like I drew this trend line back on Friday of last week. It respected it today. I wanted to continue to respect it tomorrow. Tomorrow, if it respects it, we can end the day somewhere near I would say around $10.16 tomorrow. That'll put some of y'all back in the money, won't it? Go hit that like button if you do. Bring somebody else to the party. More y'all to hit the like button that come across the stream. Bring more to the party. You know, you can bring your champagne, you know, and have a good time as we bleed these shorts dry because it's long overdue. You know, retail investors been getting crapped on forever. It's our turn now, so let's do this. All right, so let's see what else is on Wall Street bets. These memes be having me dying. This is the raw talent. I don't know what it is. Diamond Hands bought GME at $493 when it was at its 52-week high. Oh wow! No, no! Wow, y'all see this? That's YOLO. That is YOLO. 7 shares at $493. They spent 3 racks. They was down 2. Ooh. Oh my God. They was down 79%. Wow. And they bought 80 more. They bought 80 more at 3. Wow. Wow. They YOLO for real, for real, for real. I ain't mad at them. They YOLO for real. That's YOLO. That is YOLO. Wow. Wow. If they can hold, we can hold. Hey, where y'all holding at? What number y'all holding at? man, I don't know if I could hold at 400. I guess you got no choice, right? You ain't got no choice if you caught that high, you already went down with the ship. You might as well pray on recovery. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I would have done. You know, that's diamond that's diamond hands for real. All right, I probably can't show everything on here. It can probably get a little crazy. All right, so I wanted to do this stream because I wanted to give an opportunity for people to jump on and you know, kind of interact. I'll try to do more. I may even come back later. I don't know. Um, yeah, I love to talk GameStop, and I'll talk about some stocks you want me to look at. Like, you got any ticker symbols? Put y'all on to a play. You know what? Did y'all see the big mover today? Did y'all see the real big mover today? It was. Let me find it. This one. This one moon today. Look at this. I don't know what's up with that, but it went from. Well, actually, hold on. Let me go back. Nah. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. It was one that jumped up today. I had no idea about it. If you know which one it is, put it in the chat. I'm trying to go through my history and look at what I was doing some analysis on. Damn. There we go. Anybody know about Rocket? RKT? Look at this. This thing mooned today. This thing mooned. Look at this. It went from today, it went from trading at 22 to 26. It started back at $20 on Thursday. Anybody in this? And it's still rising. Any news on it? RKT. Let's look at RKT. Not ready. It's not. It's nothing really. They playing a dividend 4 days ago to declare the dividend. Is that what made it a $1.11 dividend? Are you kidding me? Is this real? Yeah, February 25th, 2021. Rocket companies declare $1.11 dividend payable March 23rd for shareholders of record March 9th. Hey, okay. Is that what made this price jump like that? Company skyrocketing right now compared to last 6 months trading action. There are just all the buyers to get in before the shareholder record date. So, can okay. So is everybody jumping in on Rocket because they announced that they're doing $1.11 dividend? Can anybody confirm that? I mean, look at this. Look at this price action. It was trading at $18 last week. It's at 26 and counting after hours. This thing ain't slowing down either. Now, it will crash. It will crash at some point, but this will crash. But this looks like support. This looks like consolidation here. This $24 price level. If I'm looking to quick swing this one, here, if people was on right now, like here's a swing lesson. Like this thing, once this thing crashes, it's going to come back to earth. Look at this. It was resistance here, and when it broke through, it became support. So when this thing comes back to earth, I'm looking. If I feel like it can go back up, now this is all time highs it look like. But if it has some bullish momentum, then I want to try to get in around 24 if I 24 close to 24 as I can. Maybe even 23.75. Ride it back up if it's going to do that. It already served as a resistance point here. So we know it's support. We know that's solid support. RKT. And they got a dividend. Probably want to keep your eye on this one, y'all. I don't know. I wouldn't chase it. Definitely wouldn't chase it. I mean, it was just a week ago. It was down here in the low 20s. Looks solid though. I don't know anything about the company. I'm just trading it off the technicals. And off the technicals, let me know I ain't going after this. I ain't going after this. We missed that boat already. So, it's all good. But yeah, anybody know anything about it? I thought it was some other news about it, but who knows? Let's see. Let's look up. Hey, anybody else bag holding Tilray? Anybody else bag holding Tilray? You bag holding? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button too, and bring somebody else to the party. I need the like buttons. The algorithms help kick in. We can bring other people to the party. So if you see in this, click the like button. Let me know. Hey, this is a party. This. I'm trying to lighten up the mood. Bring y'all into the next trading day with some good energy because we are on our way. Anybody who was YOLO, I had to talk to y'all because I'm YOLO, and I just want to express it to other people who might be on the same page as me, so we can have this conversation. We can also talk some other stocks, and I want y'all to get to know me as I try to build this channel. And I want y'all to be able to trust the information I give y'all. I ain't no expert. I just try to funnel through as much as I can because I know what learning curve it was for me. And so I try to present it in the same way that other people can learn from that I think helped me as well. So that's what this channel was all about. Tilray is, ugh, yuck. I'm bag holding Tilray. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of y'all are too. Unless you were smart, jumped out. Unless you were smart and jumped out before here. Maybe here you jumped out. This long red candle got out. All the smart people got out right here. This is probably, You really couldn't get out here. Why? Because it happened after hours. They dumped it after hours. You know, and that's one thing. You know, younger traders is gonna learn. Like, you know, Robinhood limits you. You know, you can't trade after hours on Robinhood. You know, your order don't get filled to the next trading day. But some of these other brokerages allow a little bit, especially Webull. Webull allows um, aftermarket trading, pre-market trading. This trend line is not respected. It can go. Yeah, Tilray looked like it has found a bottom though, around $25. We could be on our way back. I hope. 25. 25 is the low. Look like it's right at the next resistance point. Yeah, it needs to get over that $26. It gets over $26, then more than likely we can get back up to 28, maybe. Maybe 28, 29. Look like 29 more. Yeah, yeah, it ain't look good for Tilray, y'all. We're gonna hold that one for a little while, especially anybody who bought up here. Anybody who bought up here in the 40s and the 50s got a long way to go. Got a long way to go. But the good news is we know that at some point it's going to be declared federally legal or decriminalized federally. And then it's going to skyrocket because that's the only thing holding the banks back from giving some of these cannabis companies the loans that they need to expand in America because they're selling an illegal product. So that's what it is. And so until then, till then we're gonna hold this bag. But once that news hit, once that because the resolution already passed the House, the Senate just got to take it up and pass it. Once that and Biden got to sign it, and once that happens, but I think even on the rumor that it's going to happen, it's going to do that. And if you ever learned the lesson, learn from me on CCIV. I'm bag holding CCIV. I ain't never gonna forget this lesson. I ain't never gonna forget this lesson. Listen, look, hey, I'm totally transparent on this channel, so that's why I decided to make this portfolio public. Look, I organized these by, you know, the movers, right, and the bag holders is down at the bottom. Um, Churchill Capital. I'm in 10 shares, $41. Bag holding, big time. Big time. Oh, man. It's okay. But what happened? Look at this. Here's the rumor. Let me go back. Let me go back a little more. There we go. Here's the rumor of the merger. Here's the news of the merger. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So, I learned that lesson. I learned that lesson the hard way. That same pump and dump happened to us on Tilray. But you know, we all new investors, and we the sheep. You know what I'm saying? We fresh blood. These people have been doing this for years. They know how the game go. We don't know what to expect. We just throwing our money in and we hoping for the best, right? So the edge we got to create is learning how to navigate and how to trade with strategy in order to, you know, fit in, and not only fit in but take advantage of the market, knowing and anticipating what these market makers and professional traders and institutional investors are doing and how they play the market, so we know how we play the market as well. All right, so buy the room and sell the news. Always remember that. You heard it here. You heard it here, and you saw it here on the chart. All right, family. Let me see. One more last time. Let's go to GameStop. Oh man, that is a nasty cup and handle. That is a nasty cup and handle. Man. Oh, we just needed to, because after the reason why I got these price points out here, because after it hits 130 is here's the price points we got to pay attention to. 130, 150 psychological, 170. After 170, it is 200. It is nothing at the it is nothing at the 170 stopping it before 200. After 200 is nothing stopping it before 235. All right? This thing can straight moon in a matter of a day or two. So, yo, keep your eye on the prize. Again, before I let y'all go, you ain't in on this trade. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Invest in the stock market at your own risk. But if you want to find a sweet spot, you got the chocolate stocks. We find a sweet spot. We want to try to get it to the support level as close as possible. This is 109. Get as close to 109 as possible. If it pulls back, I mean, these hedge funds want to win just as much as we do. If it pulls back, support is at 100. Support is at 100. All right. So if you ever see a pullback below 109, look to get it around 100, closest to 100 as possible. Not saying it's gonna come back to 100, but 100 is solid support. More or less 102, 103. All right. So it might not come back to exactly 100. We don't know. We don't know what to expect. But I want to give you some things to look at. So if you looking to enter this trade, and again, if you use like Robinhood or brokers that can trade fractional shares, you ain't got to buy the whole share. Play the percentage. You just play the percentage. So you want to slap $50 on GameStop, slap $50 on it. See, I have another position on GameStop, but what I did just to see how much return on investment I would have got on the way back up when GameStop was starting to moon again. I put $1 on it, around $60 on its way up, just to see what it do, and it almost doubled already. So if I would have put $100 on it, it'd have been 200 already. Put $1,000 on it, be $2,000 already. So this thing has the potential, man. I think this is good news after the week we had. We got slaughtered in the last week or so, but it gave me a chance to pivot. I got some more microvision. Microvision doing good. I'm in a 14. It's at 18. Got 35 shares. I'm riding this one to the promised land, baby. I did a video on this. I'm telling you. No, stay with me. Stay with me, y'all. Bring somebody else to the party. All right. So anyway, I gotta keep this moving, y'all. It's been fun. I'm trying to liven things up. Have a chance to talk to the audience. I'll release another video later, doing some technical analysis on specific stocks. But in the meantime, I am also a mix engineer, and I have a client that is requiring my services. I have to mix a record, so I need to get to that. I'll probably be uploading a video towards the end of the night, talking about the market tomorrow. So you come across this, leave something in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let's talk about some other stocks. Let's talk about being YOLO. All right, family. I need y'all with me, man. We're gonna keep this energy going. All right, y'all.